Hello guys, once again welcome to Usdt TV. Guys, it's been a while, it's been a long time that I've been doing videos for you guys to earn money online. So guys, please forgive me, but please you need to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share the videos, and also comment on my videos. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can always get update from me whenever I release any video. So guys, without further ado, today I'll be showing you a new USDT mining site that you can actually make a lot of money from there. So without further ado, let's click on this site. So there is this site called cloudusdt.com. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box. Click on it so that you could be able to sign up a new account. Guys, you need to click on the link in the description box, else you won't get an invite code to sign up. So please you need to use my referral link in the description box to sign up. So guys, before to sign up a new account, just click on the sign up button over here. So you click on sign up. So if you want to sign up, you just type in your mobile number over here, your login password, security password, then you do this quick captcha over here, then you click on sign up button. So I already have an account, so I'll just click on sign in. So if I click on sign in, I've automatically included everything, so I'll just click on sign in. So as you can see right now, this is the home page of the site. So they'll give you a total balance of almost 1,000 USDT. It's just like my previous TRX site. It's really legit, and I've been withdrawing from that site for about 4 months now. And this site is also a USDT. This is not a TRX, it's a USDT, and we all know the value of USDT right now. So guys, if you want to be making money, you just click on trading. You click on deposit over here. When you click on deposit, you click on transfer. So you copy the address over here. Then you deposit straight into the account. When you deposit into the account, you'll be getting. You need to copy this address over here. In order to make money on this side, you need to copy this address. Click on the deposit button, copy this address. It's a TRC20 address, so you need to copy it. After copying it, the minimum investment that you can actually make is $5. You can actually deposit 5 USDT. So as you can see from here, they say the minimum investment is 5 USDT. So when you click on it, you need to go and withdraw the money from your Binance or your Trust wallet or your BitAfrica or your any wallet that you are using, but make sure you use the TRC20. So guys, that's all you basically need to do when you are recharging your account, and after that you need to click on the recharge completed so that it could reflect on your dashboard. So that's all you basically need to do. And also they have some investments that you can also do over here. So they have the daily rate, which is 5%, and the cycle is just 1 day. So when you click on it, you could see that the starting amount is 100 USDT, and after 1 day, you'll be getting $5 for investing $100. So guys, the site is super legit and it has been in the system for a very long time. So if you want to withdraw, you just click on withdraw button over here. When you click on the withdraw button, you type in the amount you want to withdraw, then you copy your withdrawal address, place it over here, then you type in your security password, then you confirm. So that's what you basically need to do on this platform to be able to withdraw your money and to be able to deposit and make an investment. So guys, that's what you basically need to do when you join this platform. Thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Thank you all.